Here we have to make this empty. Let's visualize the mesh. So this is how it looks, which is not fine because probably the point was not inside. We have to go back here, snappyHexMesh. This point should be inside. Again, create a blockMesh, then snappyHexMesh. Now we have this mesh, and let's see the edges. Now there's a lot of space, and this will create a better simulation. Now let's run again. Before this, we have to change here the boundaries. This should be empty. And now let's run solver, which is point. Let's stop here.